I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make green burritos. Start by preparing ingredients and tools so assembly flows smoothly. Wash tomatillos and strip husks, char poblano peppers over a flame or broiler, and chop garlic, onion, and cilantro. Toast spices briefly to deepen flavor, then blend tomatillos, roasted peppers, and aromatics into a bright green sauce. Warm tortillas gently so they fold without tearing, and set up an assembly station nearby. Cook your chosen filling with attention to texture and seasoning. Sear chicken, beef, or sauté beans with onions and garlic until nicely browned and fragrant. Add ground spices, salt, and a bit of broth to create a saucy consistency that keeps the burrito from drying out. Simmer briefly so flavors meld, then finish with lime juice or a touch of vinegar to lift the overall taste. Keep the filling slightly saucy for best results. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so you see more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so grab a pair of darn tough with a lifetime warranty to keep your feet comfy during long cooking marathons. I find the extra comfort makes chopping and standing much easier, and they last a long time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Lay out warm tortillas and build burritos with a simple, repeatable method. Spread a thin layer of green sauce, then add a base of rice or greens to prevent sogginess. Spoon in protein or beans, sprinkle cheese, and add any fresh veggies like lettuce or avocado. Fold ends in, roll tightly, and press seam side down on a hot skillet or griddle to crisp and seal. Slice in half or wrap for later eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.